Hey guys, slime time here. Today we are going to be making slime and it's going to be fluffy. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Yeah. First thing you're going to want to use is get glue. Sorry. And then just pour a little bit. I don't want to pour that much. It's just going to be a little bit of slime. Okay. So yeah. I have glue on my hands, but it's okay. Yeah. Next thing, we're actually making fluffy slime, by the way. So I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys in the beginning. I'm sorry. So we're going to be using shaving cream, and just a little bit, so it's not that much, because we do not want it to, just be lots of shaving. And I'm going to be using this wooden spatula, I guess. And then we're going to be mixing it together with glue. And you're going to make sure that if you're making fluffy slime, you do not add that much cream, like shaving cream. Or it's just going to be shaving cream and then you can't do anything about it. But yeah. And if there's any background noises, I'm sorry. But yeah. It's going to be like this, and it's going to be like shaving cream-ish. And by the way, we're doing it like this thing. This one is a little bit sticky, but it's okay. So, yeah. And if it's too hard, we can add hand wash, because that actually makes it a little softer. But it also makes it stickier, but that's fine with me. So yeah. So we're just going to add Stafilo, and yeah, do not add too much or it's going to be a little too hard. So like this much. And then mix it together. And just mix it together until it groups up. It groups up. It groups up together. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. There. Mix it a little more, mix it a little more. But yeah, mix it more. So yeah, just mix it more and then it's gonna turn out just slime consistency. And sorry if I'm I don't speak that good of English, because this English is not my actual first language. But it's my second language. My first language is My first language is Spanish, by the way. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I got it on my shirt, but it's okay, because we're making a video and we're not gonna stop. Just add a little bit more of borax until it gets off the container, which it is doing that. It might be a little bit jiggly stuff, jiggly somehow, but it's okay, because the more, and then here we have it. Actually, I forgot to get the food dye, but it's okay. So all you have to do is it's going to be a little bit like this. It's going to be stringy. But yeah, all you got to do is knit it. Knit it, and then it's going to be like that. And sorry for my little silent. But it's okay. So, yeah. This is a little bit more of this. This one's a little bit more hard. But this one's really good. So, I'm just going to do some ASMR. Because, why not? So, right here. Sorry about my hands. It's just that it's a little bit sticky, but it's okay. Yeah. You know, this is kind of turning out bad, but it's okay. ASMR. So we're doing ASMR right here. Yeah, I know I'm just whispering, but it's okay. Let's do more bubbles. Okay. So let's just stop doing ASMR because we're gonna wrap up this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys even watched, but yeah, this is my first video ever. Oh my god, no, I got in my shirt. It's okay though. It's okay. Everything's okay because I'm chill. It's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time. Like slimy time? Slime time? Sorry. I'm changing my username now. I'm sorry. But still, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. And as always, because this is my first video, but whatever. As always, I love you guys. Peace. Bye.